how to create and use Revolut Pockets. Open up the Revolut app and log into your account. Now right here on the accounts page, you want to click on more, and then you will choose add new account. Okay, so from here you will see currency account, pockets, savings and funds. You want to click on pockets, and you can choose regular, manage your money spent from pocket or automate your bills, group, gather money together with your friends, or you can also do rev points. I'm going to do regular. Now you need to set a pocket name, so I'm just going to do phone savings here, and you can do vacation, renegade. These are all of the suggested names, and you can also change the currency. So let's do in British pounds, and then you will click on okay. Also, I forgot to say that you can customize your pocket here, the color scheme, by clicking on the palette here, and then you will click on create pocket. Now, as you can see, we have the phone savings pocket, and here you can move money, you can add money, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.